There's a bird singing outside. I don't know if you can hear it. I can talk to the birds, so I tell them things sometimes when I hear them singing. Or I don't hear any birds. Sometimes I call them. They don't always obey being birds. That's very cheerful to hear. They usually say, "Where are you?" And I say, "Here I am." And they say, "You're trapped in the house." And I say, "No, this is my nest. It's just very fine." And then the male ones say, "Oh, I could never make a nest so nice as that. But can you get out?" And I say, "Yes, I have hands. I can open the door." But they worry over me. And I have wings that are visible to them, though invisible to humans. And so they usually fly by and say, "Hi, Queen. Hi, Queen." They think I'm a very big bird. I'm fine. He stopped. He's listening to me. Are you listening to me? What are you doing? Oh.